Hi all, welcome back. So today is the 27th October 2022 and the markets are already closed for the day. And in this video, let us try to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty charts and see how they have performed today. And after seeing the performance, let's try to expect for the tomorrow's move also. So let me go to the charts directly. So first I will go to the Nifty chart. Okay, so Nifty chart, this is the Nifty 5-minute time frame chart. I'm going to the daily time frame once. So this is the daily time frame chart for the Nifty. And if you are watching my videos, all the videos, Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis videos, you will understand why I have drawn these levels. So uh, at higher level, I will explain you again. So this is the high where Nifty reached in the recent past, and that is around 18,000 level roughly. So it reached up to 18,000 level, it fell down, and it again reached to the same level, again it fell down, and they made an M pattern. And now today, or from last week or 2 weeks, they're starting moving towards the same 18,000 level. So this is what we are seeing, an upside direction in the Nifty move. Okay, so if you see the price action in the this daily time frame chart, it is looking very good for the buyers, and it is mostly it is looking like it will hit this or it will break this 18,000 level, or at least they will reach or retest that also. So at least after reaching that 18,000 level, they may come down or they may go up continuously to some extent. So most there are more chances. If you see the price action, it is trading very closely. I mean, it's going very closely toward the 18,000 level. And if you see the gap up openings continuous, there are continuous gap up openings also. That is a very good sign in the daily time frame chart. And we have plotted this dotted line as a key level here. So just for your reference, I will tell you, as I was explaining this level again and again in the previous videos also, just for your reference. If you're watching this video directly, for your understanding, I will explain you why we have drawn this dotted line here. So this level is where Nifty has taken heavy rejections earlier. So if you see this point, at this point, after reaching that level, Nifty fell down here. And again, after reaching that point, they fell down. They tried it again, they fell down. And after breaking that and after retesting that level, only Nifty able to go up to that 18,000 level. And again, here also you are seeing that this level has given, once it has given the rejection and Nifty went below this level, it started falling very sharply. So that is the reason we have plotted the dotted line. And now from last 2 to 3 days, that Nifty is trading at that level only. Okay. So in the daily time frame, what we are seeing, it is very much favorable to the buyers, and it is most likely it is there are chances that Nifty will go to the 18,000 level. And for if you go to the lower time frame once and see what will happen. So today, this is the 5-minute time frame chart, and this is the today's price action. If you see it clearly, this is the dotted line where it has this is a very key level for the Nifty, because if it gets the strong rejection, if it goes below these levels, whatever the level it is taking support currently, it should be above that. Otherwise, there are more chances that they may go beyond that, or they may fall beyond that, and they may reach to that point again. So that is a good thing that today, even after getting the rejection at that level, they did not fell down or they did not go below the previous day low. So that is what the good point here. So previous day low is somewhere about here, and today they have got the rejection at the same level. If you see the yesterday price or the last trading session price action, they got rejection, and they closed below the day low during that time. And today also they got rejection even after getting a good opening. There was a good gap up opening. They fell down, and one thing they have made sure that they did not go below the previous day low, and they started moving up towards the upside direction very sharply. So that is a good sign for the buyers still. And one thing we have to make sure that if you see this level also, this blue color line level, so from last 3 days, like this is a more at the trading day session. So on that day, it has made this high, and the next day they opened it above that level, but they brought it down immediately, and they tried to go up, they failed. And today also the opening was very good at the same level, but they tried to break it, they failed. And after that fail, they fell down. but closing is very much closer to that level again. So this is very good sign for the buyers also. So 2 points for the buyers, that is this level where it got rejected from last 2 days. It got rejected today also, but the closing again, even after getting heavy selling during the day, mean almost 90% of the day there was a selling only. Only few or 10% of the time was buying, and that too a sharp buying towards the upside direction, and it is closer to the level where it is very important for the Nifty to break. And if this Nifty breaks this level, then there is a more chance that it will go to 18,000 level. So the price action is saying that though after getting the selling pressure at this level, at this dotted level, there are buyers who are taking the action and they are trying to make the Nifty go up. They are not allowing the Nifty to fall below the support that it has made in the previous session. So that is a good sign for the buyers. So what we can tell here is, if tomorrow on Friday, 28th October, if Nifty opens above or if it breaks this level and if it takes the support after retesting it, then there are more chances for the Nifty to go upward in upward direction, and it may hit to the 18,000 level either on the same day or the next day. So there are more chances. If it breaks this level and if they stay and if they trade above that level for some duration, and if they take support here at this blue line, that level is around 17,780 level. So 17,780 level is very important for Nifty now. So that is where it is getting rejection from last 3 days, and today's closing is very much closer to that. That is a good sign for the buyers. So tomorrow, even if they see some sort of gap down opening, if there is a gap down opening, I hope they will still give some sort of rejection, and but after that also there are more chances that they may go up or they may break it this level, and they may keep going up towards the upward direction. So the price action is very much favorable to the buyers in the Nifty, and this move is giving more confidence for the buyers, especially the sharp buying activity that they have done during the last 30 minutes is very much giving the confidence for the buyers. So only thing is that tomorrow or day after tomorrow, they have to break this level. They have to break the 17,780 level, and they have to retest, and after getting the support, and if the buyers keep continuing, then there are more chances that Nifty will go to 18,000 level. And if in case tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, or whatever the session that we have on Monday or Tuesday, until Nifty takes the support and until it trades above this zone, whatever the support it is taken now from last 2 sessions, it is good for the buyers still. Okay, I'm extending that zone because if in case tomorrow or the next day or coming to the next week also, if they trade in this zone until Nifty is in this zone, then it is favorable to the buyers only. So don't take any short positions or don't buy any put options, even though if you are seeing any downward movement in this place or in this zone. So only sellers will get more chances if Nifty goes below this support zone. Okay, so that is very important. So we expect or we have to wait until Nifty breaking this 17,780 level, and after getting that retest, then only we can take the buy option. So until that point of time, wait, be patient, and even if tomorrow also if Nifty trades in this zone, just ignore. I can say don't take any position. That will be the better option. Even though there will be chances for the profit booking also, but I don't suggest to take that positions because they are very risky. But because if you see the move here, from this position, they moved it very sharply towards the day high, today's high. So if you see that kind of movement again, then that will be a very big loss for you. If you have taken a short position or if you have bought a put option, and if you see immediately after taking the position, if they trigger these buy orders again, then it will be very much problem for you. So don't take any short positions. That's what I can suggest for all the intraday traders mainly. And wait until the Nifty breaks the 17,780 level. Then only you can have one position. Buying a call option or buying the futures will be the better option for you. And until Nifty is in this zone, it is still favorable to the buyers only. So if it falls this zone, this support, whatever it is taken from last 2 days, if it falls that level, then there are more chances that Nifty may fail or may come down some extent. And there is a next level also which we have drawn in the previous video. In the previous video we have plotted this level also because it has taken enough support here also. So if it breaks this level, then Nifty may have some sort of selling pressure and they may come down to this extent mostly. Otherwise, until if it is trading in this zone, don't take any position, not even buying or not even selling. And if it breaks this 17,780 level only, you look for the buying option, buying a call option or buying the futures. So this is what we are seeing in the Nifty chart. And now let me go to the Bank Nifty chart. So Bank Nifty, let me go to the daily time frame once. So I was explaining you in the last videos also. I was explaining you that Bank Nifty is closing. I mean, it's trading very close to the all-time high. That is somewhere around 41,800 or 41,700 level. So it is very closing very. It's trading very close to that level. So that's the reason I suggested everybody not to take any short positions or don't buy any put options at the moment, and look for the buying option only, buying futures or buying the call options only. Being on the longer side is the best option because it is trading very close to the all-time high. So there are more chances that it may break or it may at least come to that level again. So that's the reason. If you see, I have plotted these levels. This is the all-time high actually, and this is the level it took support previously, and that's the way that so after taking the support, Bank Nifty started coming up again. So in the daily time frame, this is also very good. Same as Nifty, here also Bank Nifty is also looking very good in the daily time frame. So it is very much favorable to the buyers at the moment. Okay, so now let us go to the 5-minute time frame, lower time frame, and see how it is behaving. So these are the levels which we have drawn in the previous video. So we have drawn this level because on Muharat trading session, it got rejected at the same level. If you see the Muharat trading session also, after coming down, they reached to the same level and then they started coming down again. And yesterday or in the previous trading session also, after falling below that level, they try to go or they try to break that, they failed, and they try to break it again, but they failed. And out of that fail, the sellers moved the Bank Nifty downward very sharply. And today also, even after getting a good opening, very good opening, it's almost above that level, whatever the level it got rejected in the last two sessions. Opening was good and it's got support also, but only thing is they did not go beyond the previous day high. So this is what the previous day high, they did not go above the previous day high. So that is where they trapped the buyers actually. And then after giving that buy signal and after trapping the buyers, they started moving towards downwards direction. But here also one good point what we can note here or identify here is, if you see the compare both the price actions, so this level is very it's given a very important role today and yesterday or the previous day. If I have rolled it out, so this level has given rejection here, and on the same day they have given two rejections, and after second rejection, Bank Nifty fell very sharply and it closed below the day low during the day low, and day low on that same day. And if you see today also, they got one rejection, two rejection, third rejection, and after third rejection, the sellers again they try to move Bank Nifty down towards the same this level only, but they failed. So there are chances that there are many sellers who expected that Bank Nifty will reach this point. Okay, they have expected the Bank Nifty to reach this point, same as previous session, but it did not happen. So immediately they started moving up towards that level again. The closing is also very much closer to the important level. So that is also very good sign for the buyers in the Bank Nifty. So only thing that buyers need here is whatever the level from last 2 days, that the highs which they are trying to break. Once this level breaks from if tomorrow or the next session, if they breaks this level, that is around 41,500 level, then there are more chances that Bank Nifty will keep going towards upward direction, and there are more chances they may break all-time high level also. So only this is what we have to wait for the Bank Nifty. So we need Bank Nifty to break this 41,500 level, and after getting the support at that level, after breaking it, and it should retest it, and once it retest, and if you see that buyers are coming again, then that is a good price action to take the long positions confidently. So until here also, until Bank Nifty is trading in this zone, whatever the zone, here I will highlight that. So until Bank Nifty is in this zone, don't take any short positions. That will be a very risky for all the short positions. So don't, even if you see a downward movement, don't take it. You can ignore it. You can ignore the positions, or you can ignore, even though there are chances to get some profit. I can suggest you don't take those kind of positions, mostly mainly intraday positions, because if you see any immediate after taking the short position, and if it start moving against you, it will move very sharply. So there are chances that a sharp upward movement may come immediately. So I suggest don't take any short positions. And this zone, whatever I've highlighted now, is very much, even if tomorrow or Monday, if Bank Nifty trades in this zone, it is still favorable to the buyers only. So we have to be very patient, and we have to wait for the chance to take the long position. And we have to wait once Bank Nifty breaks this 41,500 level, then that will be the best uh, time for the buying the Bank Nifty. Okay, so if Bank Nifty falls this level, whatever the level it is trying, or it is taken the support in the previous session, that is also very important level. So that is around 41,120. So that is very important. If that falls, then it may, there are chances that it may come up to this level where it has taken support earlier. So if this breaks, and if Bank Nifty trades in this zone, there are chances. We cannot tell it strongly that it will come up to this point, but there are chances. But that is a risky, but still, sellers will be somewhat stronger compared to this buyers in this zone. But we have to wait. If it comes down, we have to wait and see how it is behaving there. Then only we can plan accordingly. So until that point of time, if Bank Nifty is trading in this zone, don't take any short positions. And even for the long position also, just wait for it breaking the 41,500 level. Okay, so both Nifty and Bank Nifty, they are moving in the same pattern. Only thing the traders, intraday traders want is to break these levels. In Nifty, 17,780 level is very important for the intraday players for tomorrow. And Bank Nifty 41,500 will be the very important level for the buyers tomorrow. So let us see what will happen in the next trading session. I hope this explanation is very much helpful for you and for your analysis. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.